Buckshot Roulette is a turn-based horror game where you and a dealer take turns firing a shotgun loaded with a random mix of live and blank shells. You choose whether to shoot yourself or the dealer, and whoever runs out of lives first loses. You get access to items that can aid you, like revealing shells, skipping turns, or dealing extra damage. The tension comes from managing risk, tracking remaining shells, and outsmarting the opponent before you end up on the wrong side of the barrel. Anyway, why not create two AI models to fight each other in this game? This is going to be a short video compared to my others, as this is a revamp of my old project. Back in 2022, I basically cloned the game, but back then I had no idea what I was doing with AI. It was really bad, and not really using that much strategy. My data setting system was wonky and would break randomly, and the game just looked really shit. I found this old project buried in my GitHub repositories, so I decided to dust it off and revamp it. First off, I decided to add some background to the world to make it look better on camera. Yeah, never mind. It still looks really bad. Whatever. Let's add some particle effects using Unity's particle system. It's a great system. Okay, obviously I don't know what I'm doing. This is supposed to be a muzzle flash for a gun, but yeah. Let's just move on to the AI part. Okay, the type of AI model I decided to go with this time is a variation of the Deep Q network called the D3QN, aka the Dueling Double Deep Q network. Normally, the AI learns by assigning a value to every action it can take, like, if I shoot here, how good is that? The problem is, regular Q learning can get really overconfident. It might think some actions are better than they really are, just because of noisy rewards or lucky outcomes. That's where the double part comes in. A D3QN uses one brain to pick what it thinks is the best move, and a second one to judge how good that move actually is. That's why we call it double, because it's two models. It's like making a plan and then asking your smarter friend if it's a dumb idea. And then the dueling part? That's where the network learns two things separately. One, how good the current situation is in general, like, are you winning or losing? And two, which action is the best right now? This helps it avoid wasting time overthinking when all the options are kind of the same, or when you're stuck in a bad spot. Altogether, D3QN learns smarter, stays more stable, and doesn't get baited by short-term wins. It's basically the street-smart version of a D3QN model. Now this new and improved AI out of the way, let's start training it. After about 6k iterations, and each one lasting like 4 seconds, the model was fully trained. Like I said earlier, this is going to be a more short video than I usually make, but thanks for watching. The source code is in my GitHub, and I'll put it in the description for people who want to see it. And like, subscribe, thank you. This is my last video in a while because I'm going to college, so thanks.